Okay. Then.
All right. Our today's class is going to be a little about brainstorming session, but which involves a further activity of writing section with you. Like whatever I'm going to discuss with you will also ask you to have a further writing section which you will be doing in a homework. Okay,
Sure.
in as a homework. For that purpose, I'm going to first share a screen with you.
Sure.
Just check it out. In this screen, you have, just read out the topic, Anjali. The topic is, do you
Large
prefer to
companies
work,
and this
do you prefer to work in a large company or own a small business? What do you prefer and why?
obviously I do prefer to work in a large company.
Okay, you would like to work in a large company, and why not your own business?
Like starting up your own business is quite difficult. You have to hire so many people and you have to look after so many things.
So you want to take an easy stray, huh? You don't want to struggle.
No.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is, as the topic is even debatable, it is a topic that is discussable too. It is discussable, it is debatable, it is requiring a lot of points from you. It is a brainstorming topic. Apart from
Sure, sure,
that,
sure.
I'm going to discuss this topic with you in spoken English over here, as well as this topic will also require a written article from you. I want an article to be written by you on the same topic once we are done with the discussion. Because
Sure,
then
sure, sure.
I am going to check your vocabulary, I'm going to check your connectors, I'm going to check your command over English language and written as well. All right.
Sure.
So we have some points over here. Okay. Let's say that you would like to work in a large company. Let's discuss these. You have some of the options with you, the advantages as well as disadvantages. Okay. You are on the advantages side. Let us discuss. What do you think are advantages of working in a large company over owning a small business?
Like it gives you a status.
It gives you a status.
Eh,
Not business give you
yeah, definitely.
status.
No, like if you're working in a large company, it gives you like then you will meet the people of your type, of your status, and automatically your status will increase. But in small business, you have to meet all types of the people. They will come and ask you.
Okay,
So I
so
think
I am running a own business, say. Do you think I do not have a status?
no, you have.
What
But it
makes
depends on
what
no,
makes
but
a
it
person
depends on
have a
business.
status?
It depends on the business.
It depends on the kind of business.
Yeah, it
Okay.
depends on
So,
kind of.
do you think having a departmental store does not let a person gain a business or a status?
It gives, but I think so. Like no, but not that much that I want.
Okay, not
I
that
don't think so.
much that I want. But let us discuss this topic on general basis also, plus individual level also. The thing
Okay,
that you have said is about status of a common man, right? The status of a common man. So
common man.
I don't think it has got anything to do with status by working in a large company over a small business. A person gains status out of their own quality.
Definitely.
If I am not working, say, but my behavior with other people is good, the way I talk with people, the way I attend my family, the way I attend people outside, my continuous behavior with them decides my status in the society. Status means where people want to attend you, where people want to stay connected with you. Status does not always come with money, it also comes with your behavior, your own personality, the way you maintain yourself, right? So it depends. The definition of status differs for different people. Exactly. But then, give me a solid point. Why would you like to work in a large company and not a small business?
In large companies, like you get your fixed amount of salary, but in small business you have to suffer from losses and the profits as well.
Very good. This is a solid point now, where we can, where even if I debate with you, you are justified on your point, right? Status was a point where you cannot be justified. You cannot justify your own self, your own point. Okay, you get a good amount of salary. You don't need to invest. All you need to give is your hard work, which you also given on business,
Definitely.
right? So you say that if after working in a business we are not able to get any reward, it pinches, it hurts. Whereas after giving a hard work in the large company, you are at least able to get yourself a good amount of money, which is very
Sell
important
man
for running your living,
living. Definitely.
right? Okay. But I say that a small business takes the initial struggle and may not give much profit or may not give much income. But in the longer run, you build your own name and your own hard work gives you a lot of money later on. You can debate me if you want. There is a point that makes you fail, fail my
Could
point.
you could you could you please repeat it?
I said that if working for a small business, you need to give a lot of struggle in the initial years, but in the later years, it is going to give you a lot of income because your hard
But
work.
it's not like it's not certain. Like it depends on many conditions. Like it's
So
not certain that you are going that.
what if you're fired from the large company, and what if your large company falls into recession all of a sudden and it fires you? There is no certainty even there.
I do agree with you.
But then you have to debate me. I want you to speak more about it. I want this topic to be discussed. See, I have a lot of points in front of you. ये points मैंने आपके सामने इसीलिए रखे हैं so that when we are discussing this topic, you should not go blank. My main purpose is to make you talk in English with me as much as you can. I don't want you to stay stuck. If I ask you if you,
But you can
yeah.
like if even if they will file you, you have the option to apply for a job in another company.
Yes, that's what you can say. Even if they fire you, you can switch to another large company. Okay, but shifting to another business all of a sudden is again a big thing. But both
It's a big
require
thing.
starting from the scratch.
Yeah, but in small business you require like investment as well. Investment risk is there, but in companies I don't think so. You have to invest something.
Very good, very good, very good. This is what I wanted to never stop. Okay, that you never stop while debating. So, in case you say that, even if we want to begin a new business once again, we need to bring in a lot of, or at least some amount of investment. Whereas switching to any large company does not require investment at another stage. I agree with you at
Definitely.
this point. Okay, let's move towards the. So you win and I lose, exactly. In this point, at least. Let's go for the next one. What do you think are the benefits of working in a large company, or why should we work in a large company and not do a small business?
Okay, as I told you, like no, you don't have to invest. So the thing is, ki if you if the company is suffering from losses, then it's not about that you are suffering from losses, and company is going to give you a salary at the end of the month. But in small business, you have to bear all the losses by yourself only.
Okay, so the the problems in a large company are shared by many people, whereas in the
Definitely,
own business you are the whole soul and sole bearer of everything, may it be a profit or
solve bear of
a
everything.
loss, right?
ठीक है, yeah,
It's a vice versa thing. If there is nobody to share the losses, there is nobody to share the profits too.
profits
But
too.
whereas in a large
But
company, a lot of profit is being shared amongst so many people.
but in large companies that your working time schedule is totally fixed, like 6 to 7 hours. But in small business, you have to invest your sometimes a whole day you have to give that you don't have a time for your families.
uh, but there is an advantage, your family can also support you in your business. whereas your family cannot support you in your companies. Your family cannot come and share your burden of work in the companies. Whereas in the businesses, small businesses especially, where people want to struggle and make their business come up, the family members also come and share the burden of each other in the business by helping each other doing the works in the business.
But like competition factor is also there in small businesses.
Okay, the competition. So you're referring to another point. Okay, let's take the point of competition now. There's a lot of competition in small businesses. Let me say, does
Yeah,
not Audi company have a big competition with BMW?
they
Do
do
have.
have. But the thing is, ki they do have. The thing is, ki they are like prescribed to the rules and all that stuff, and they have a lot of people under them to work upon on this thing.
Competition will be
But in
everywhere in working industry, no matter where you go. Even if you,
but the thing,
if a rickshaw puller, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but then if a rickshaw puller is standing on a road and is waiting to to give a ride to a customer, I think there is another rickshaw puller who is waiting for the same. There's competition everywhere, from
there's
small
there
business,
com
from roadside business to even big hi-fi buildings owning some big businesses.
but the small business have to suffer a lot in like in competition factor.
But let me tell you,
But like if we'll take
all the entrepreneurs, they have been risk takers, and they have taken opportunities. They grabbed the opportunities, and that is why they own big businesses now, which were once at least a small business.
yeah, I do agree with you.
The one who is owning a large company is also a businessman, I guess.
Definitely.
Right. So don't you think we should create opportunities by working in small businesses rather than working for somebody, giving your talent to somebody else, and creating the name of the company rather than creating the name of
Creating
your own self?
creating your own name. But think here the small business is like is run by like a minimum two or one or two people. In large companies, it's run by like minimum 50,
There are
50
chances
and
of growth
hundreds of.
always. There are chances of growth always. You start with one and you end up with 10 and then 100 and thousands, right?
Definitely.
So I think the youth of current nation should definitely try to see, try to compete with the competition in the market and create opportunities for the youngsters to support you in that new talent. Those companies which are already fulfilled with a lot of talent approaching them, where there is a lot of politics being played and manipulations in the promotions of the people, of the employees. There's so much struggle that people undergo. Somebody is getting a desired promotion but is not able, somebody is willing to get a desired promotion, but the politics in the company does not allow so, right? But the politics in the company
Right.
does not allow
Definitely.
so. Why to work for such a company where your promotion may be at stake sometime due to the kind of politics or the manipulation?
Yeah, I do agree with you.
So you're changing your version now. You said that you want to work for a large company, but you're drifting towards small business. Are you sure?
But like starting your own business is not a like not a small thing. You have to consider so many points before like starting your own business. You have to look after so many things.
Yes, we do need to look after so many, but is it easy to work for somebody not according to yourself and work according to them, knowing that even if you work in the same way may turn out to be wrong sometimes? Sometimes it even happens
Definitely.
that your boss is guiding you something which you know is not at all going to give you results because of the outdated versions of bosses sitting on the head, guiding the youth to do the things which are not practically possible in this generation. But you still need to do that.
Definitely.
Don't you think you're wasting your time? I'm not saying it happens all the times, but let me take up exceptional cases. I am taking the extreme exceptions while debating on this topic. People say
Definitely.
that exceptions are always there. don't they?
Exceptions are on.
Right? But
Yeah.
I say that while debating, I would prefer to take the exceptions because everybody takes the weakest point into
Best.
consideration while making decisions. We always consider the risks, before we make the decisions in life.
We always consider it. Definitely.
So, could we have more points? Like, there are so many benefits of working in large company. I can see. You can see these are getting the exposure,
Exposure,
association with
association,
experts in field,
experts
advanced
in
working
field,
style,
advanced
less
working
burden and
style,
less stressful, fixed
quick salary.
work team management, clear focus, limited area, bonus, promotion, swap between companies. No, we have taken a few points. Let's discuss on more.
Yeah, we had already discussed like कि it gives you so like it gives you
अब बेटा
exposure.
अंजलि अभी भी की बोलते हो बीच में दैट बोलना जहाँ पे वहाँ की आएगा आप की बोलते हो सॉरी वहाँ दैट आएगा
That's all. Yeah,
three four times हुआ है
get the exposure.
when I'll show you the recording you'll notice that 3-4 times you have spoken key instead of that.
I'll look after this. Like the it gives you exposure in different fields and like if you are like a good at one thing, the company will make you to do like different works and will make you perfect in all those things as well. So like multi-talented people you will become.
Okay. We always say that you don't get intelligent by eating almonds. All that teaches you is your struggle. And I
Just
don't think
struggle.
while when I don't think when you work in a small business, there can be any struggle which is higher than running your own business. No struggle is higher than running your own business because you give your full heart and soul to run that business and you try every bit of possibility to make it work. That's a
Make
struggle.
it
you
work.
you give late nights to it, you work late nights for it. I think that's the kind of struggle that only small businesses have and not large companies, right?
Definitely. Good job. Then yeah, I do agree with you.
So you're again drifting on your point.
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's discuss the new one.
Association of experts.
All right, Anjali, let's continue with the next point, Rajay.
Yes, yes, Dean.
Yes, I'll share the screen once again. Let's continue. So you were talking about?
Association with experts in field.
Very good. Association with experts in the field. So you get to meet those people where you can, you can get high exposures.
Definitely.
People of your type. Okay.
People of my type.
People who can teach you what you want more in your line. Okay. Agreed.
Definitely.
Agreed. In business, can't we get the same thing?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
In small business, if you have a like departmental store, definitely a high class people is they will be coming to you definitely to get something, to get some groceries and all that.
Let's not
But
talk
like
about high
then
class people. We are discussing about people, association of experts in the same field.
experts, experts in
So
the
for
same
a
field, yeah.
departmental
Like
store, a Easy Day store or some other store which is at higher post will be a ideal. कि वो
will
चाहेगा
be
कि मेरा
ideal.
भी ऐसा ही स्टोर हो या मुझे उससे शिक्षा
Definitely.
लेनी चाहिए. How did he run it, right? How did he excel it?
Definitely.
So
So
in a
yeah, but
business,
like us,
mhm,
like in a business, like we tend to meet these type of people like of our types, but I don't. But it's like experts are there in large companies, and meetings are you have to go in a meetings and you have to arrange meetings with only with experts only. In
agreed.
small business
Nobody
is
stops us from taking advices in the businesses, small businesses. There are so many good experts who are especially for running businesses. who are especially there to help entrepreneurs, businessmen. You see so many online experts nowadays who are promoting their businesses of counseling the business expert, business people to run their business properly. You pay the fee, you get yourself counseled. You experiment. If that advice fits you well, you take their advice once again. Otherwise, change the advisor, change the counselor.
Definitely.
I don't think there
But
is.
the thing is, like in companies, like you always go in a good attire. But in, like, if you have a department or a small business, then you will go like a casually, like your
Okay,
casual wears.
mine is a small
But
business.
like it,
Mine is a small business. I always prefer to go in mostly in a formal attire.
but the thing is, ki, like, it depends on business to business. If you have a departmental store, you can't go in a formal
But we
attire.
are talking about small businesses, not particularly about departmental store or any education department. We are talking on general basis about small business.
General business.
See, I have everything to debate with you, and you have everything to debate with me on the same topics. But all I want is our motive is not to end up with points or create new points. Our motive is to make our spoken English comfortable, right?
Definitely.
One thing that's missing in your speaking is still there is no connector in between. I haven't seen you using the words therefore, since, or whenever, whatever, wherever. These sentences are not being used,
I'll try to use this.
right? You need to try to use those. Okay. Would you like to take up another point? You have taken the point swap between companies also. No investment also has been taken up by you.
No investment, no risk.
Bonus and
Yeah. Okay. Yes, from your side.
clear
You
focus,
give me 1 point from your side.
clear focus and limited area ये रहता है आपका.
Clear focus. Yeah, yeah. I already told you, like, it's a limited area and you have to just focus on one thing. But in small business, you have to look after so many things, like you about your employment. You have to see about the working hours, about the salaries, about so many things. Like,
Learning is a part
but
of
in
life. Learning is a part of life. So in case while growing your business, you're learning something, I think it's adding on to your experience. And experience always counts.
definitely it
And
counts.
businesses become legacy of the further generations. So if you're taking some pain to transfer a legacy or give something in inheritance to your further generation, the business that you're going to run and excel in, you're going to pass it to your further in a generation, or you're going to give them an inheritance. So I think the hard and the struggle that you given is worth it. Okay.
Definitely, it's worth it.
If you need to learn something, I don't think there is anything wrong about it.
No, 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 no. Nothing is wrong in this thing.
Therefore, I am completely in favor of running a small business.
Definitely.
Anjali, I still see you getting a little quiet on the points. Okay. But
So I'm not getting anything to, like,
आपको
to
तो ये
speak.
चाहिए कि next time when I give you one more topic, the topic should be in such a way that you are able to speak as much as you can on that. आज मैं बोल रही हूँ ज्यादा, आपके पास पॉइंट रेडी होना चाहिए जैसे मेरे पास है. एक पॉइंट को आप फिजिकली नहीं कर सकते. आप किसी पॉइंट में लॉजिक नहीं है, लेकिन आप उसको इमोशनल साइड देके आप उस पॉइंट को अपनी फेवर में कर सकते. You need to decide that
Sure.
sometimes you need to win the point with logic. In certain situations, you need to win the point with emotions. But you need to win anyhow. All I want you to speak as much as you can. So tomorrow when I
Sure.
share a screen with you and ask you to speak about, I need you to have more of spoken as well as more of connectors in your speech, in your discussion.
Sure.
Okay, that's it for today's
Sure.
session. I'm going to stop the screen share. And what you need to do is I'm going to send you the picture of this. I'm going to send you this picture, same picture. I want you to write a topic of the same, write an article on the same topic, I mean, and send me so that I can check it and I can tell you
Like in a large companies or like or
any,
a small business?
whatever you want.
Anything. Okay.
All I'm going to see is your sentence formation, your kind of lexical resource that you use, the vocabulary that you use, the characters that you use. Okay, I'm going to work on your written English as well now.
Do that.
Okay, so is that helpful?
Yeah, sure. Definitely.
Was it worth it?
Definitely.
A small session, but I think that must have given you a little idea that how we can speak on any topic, because I'm giving you the points similarly. The way you give me points, I also give you a back-to-back answer to the same.
Definitely. I can see that actually.
मतलब रुकना नहीं है, कहीं पे भी आपको कोई आंसर दे रहा है, आपने विन सिचुएशन लेनी है अपने लिए.
Sure, sure, sure.
कभी भी aggressive
I'll take care of this.
politely ही लेनी है.
I'll take care of these things.
And that is very important when you go for group discussion, when you go for any interviews, when you go for any sort of public speaking. You need to be able to put across your points to the people or to the person who's interviewing you right in the way you want. That too.
Definitely.
All right, Anjali, thank you so much for the session. And I'll meet you tomorrow at 2:30 or 2:45.
Yeah, sure, sure. But please, once stop the recording. I want to ask you something.
Okay, just a second.